Hello. Today we will see how we can use Minexa AI to scrape the detailed pages from the News in Health website. So for this we have these detailed pages open. So firstly I will go to the Minexa web app and we have to paste four URLs of the detailed page. I will copy the first and paste it. Now I will copy the second one, paste it and enter. I will copy the third page detail URL and enter, and I will copy the fourth page detail URL and I will press enter button. So as usual we have to provide some sample data to Minexa AI. So I will open any detail page and I will simply copy all the material that I need from this. So I will simply copy it and paste it here as sample data. Now I will click on create scraper. This may take up to 2 minutes and Minexa will scrape all the detailed pages content for us. As you can see, we have this data scrape. So now I can select any number of columns that I need. Let's say I need the article title as well as the URL, the image description, and the research summary and the health info and research info. I needed these columns from this data, so I have selected it and I will simply copy this code that Minexa has provided me and I will paste it as the value of the data. I will attach the link of this GitHub. You can download this code. I will replace the value here and simply I will run my Minexa scraper. This will take a minute and Minexa will scrape the detail page URLs for me. The data will be in CSV, Excel as well as JSON. As you can see, Minexa has successfully scraped all the data. So we will see this data here. I will open the JSON one. So here in the results dictionary, I have this article title, URL, image description, all the columns that I selected for all the detailed pages. So that was it. This is as easy as it can to scrap data using Minexa AI.